Excellent!
The Cooler Master Nepton 240M is a new 240mm closed-loop liquid CPU cooler launched today along with the Nepton 120 to fill out Cooler Master's lineup in this series. As of the filming of this video, I actually don't know how much this will cost, but I will put a link in this video's description as soon as possible, so check that out after you watch the video. Let me know in the comments if you think this is actually worth it. Cooler Master has 4 big reasons why they think that you think that it will be. I think. The first reason is fans, the Silencio FP120 fans to be specific, 2 of which are included. These are designed for increased static pressure, silent operation, and reduced power consumption, all of which are good things. PWM capable, 800 to 2400 RPM range, and 4.8 millimeters of H2O max static pressure while consuming only 4.8 watts of power and maxing at 27 dBA noise output is pretty impressive. The CPU block is the second special thing, and while learning about it I learned a new word, skived, which means to pare the edge of something so as to reduce its thickness. That's what they did with the fins on the water block, and they also designed a center channel where the water flows in so the heat moves out and away from the hottest middle area, which makes sense. The pump is thing, or reason number 3, as it is actually Cooler Master's own design and not from some stupid OEM somewhere. It has an advanced silent driver IC for low vibration and low noise output, an enhanced motor structure to increase the water flow rate to 120 liters per hour, and a 70,000 hour lifespan. At last we come to thing 4, the tubing. FEP tubing to be exact, and although FEP tubing sounds like something that Kyle does habitually, it is actually there to maintain some rigidity to the tubing. Lol. To prevent kinkage. I do like the feel of this tubing. It stays fairly flexible so you can position the radiator, but it still feels much sturdier than some of the alternatives that I've worked with. Apart from that, you have a fairly standard 240mm long and 38mm thick aluminum radiator, a mounting system that is one of the better ones for an aftermarket CPU cooler. Granted, that's not saying a lot as they all kind of suck to some degree, but I like the clips that snap on to hold the mounting screws in place. It's compatible with pretty much every socket that's relevant right now on the consumer side from both Intel and AMD, and the Cooler Master logo on the pump lights up and looks pretty sweet. I would love to say that I have full testing numbers for you guys right now against a bunch of competing coolers, but that is regrettably still in the works. I did do an install of the Nepton 240M, and it did do a great job cooling my stupidly overvolted 3770K, and it does seem to be performing better than similarly sized aluminum rag coolers in the same range. As for noise, listen for yourself. And that's all. Thank you all very much for watching this video. The link to the Nepton 240M is in the description down below, so don't forget to let me know what you think of the price. Of course, like and share this video because you're good, honest, and loyal friends, and we'll see you next time.